I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game of...
Alright, afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock. It's what is it, Wednesday now. So yeah, nice day off yesterday. Slowly getting all my stuff together. It's a bit of a mission because I've had everything off. So yeah, about 50k again to do today. Got to get some energy, get back on the bike. So yeah, look, all this stuff going on the bike. In comparison, the guy camping next to me, I'll just show you. This is his setup. Just the tarp, and he's got a tiny little mat and sleeping bag that he lies in underneath that. Now that is lightweight. So yeah, I've got about 100 times more gear than him. But yeah, each to their own, I guess. But right, okay, pack up on the bike and let's do it. All right, cool. Right, and we are off. It's about 2:30. Slow and lazy today, so hot as well. But we've sorted it. Right, hopefully about 50k to do. So yeah, just get cracking.
Absolute beginners came to Georgetown. They were wearing Harris tweed and pork pie hats. They'd slit your throat and throw you in the gutter. But it's all you can expect from men like that. The bus is bound for Niles Bend and Harvard. The ladies wear perfume to scar your nose, and the only way to reach them is to scare them. But of that you know little.
Lovely start this afternoon. I've been on a trail called the Ridgeway, which has just been great. Slightly downhill, nice and hard packed through the forest. So yeah, really nice start. A bit peckish though, I need to get some lunch soon. So yeah, but yeah, enjoying it. Sun's shining. Let's ride, let's ride.
Some touch with powers given by a sage. He had contemplated giving her his wristwatch. The time for him had long since gone its way.
First bit of rough terrain I've had. It's been easy going so far today. Lovely. It's a little bit bumpier though. Stop. Let's get off it. Lovely rolling English countryside. So just had a break. Sitting down enjoying the view. It's I'm about halfway in, done about 25k. Lovely today, just great riding. It was a bit tough getting up the top here, but yeah, it's been fantastic. The first hour I think I was just going downhill the whole time. So beautiful. So I'm just doing a bit of a rethink about tonight. I can't be bothered to get the tent out. I only packed up about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. So the thought of getting it back out again is just playing on my mind. So I've booked a hotel in a place called Chiverly. So it's quite near where I was going anyway. So yeah, a little bit of luxury tonight. Yeah, gonna stay in a pub, nice big double room, breakfast tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Treat day for sure. Right, anyway, sit back, enjoy the view. Oh, what the hell. Almost come off. Bloody hell. Oh, look at that. Great. I just took a wrong turn as well. And it's given me a flat tyre. Ah, okay. Let's change this quickly. Right, so I found 3 new holes in this, but it still won't hold the air. It's got about 10 punches in now, so I thought I'd just change the tube. I've opened this one up and it's the wrong tube again. Oh, I don't know how I've done that. That's for a different rim, but I did have 2 spare tubes, so this one is going on. Hopefully no more problems. Right, back on the bike. New tubes in. Seems to be going all right. It's actually a bit small for my wheel. Its maximum is 2.35, my wheel's 2.4. But anyway, so I've turned around, I'm going back the way I came because there's no way through that field. And then I'm going to hit the road and just try and get to this hotel as quick as possible now, because I've had enough. The battery's going to die. So yeah, hopefully no more drama. Let's go, let's go. I made it. Here we are. Right, it's me done for the night. Staying in the old Red Lion pub. So just checking back in the map. I actually came right through here, through Cambridge, and then this is where I camped on either side of the road. We then came down to Berkhamsted, and that's where I stayed in the farmer's field, and then through into the top of the Chilterns in Watlington, which was where I stayed at the campsite. So tonight leaves me here in Shiverley in the Red Lion pub, and then tomorrow we're going to head across here through Marlborough, and then I should be in Avebury, which is where I camped before, and then after that we're going to shoot right across to Bristol, and then that should be me done. So yeah, making good progress. All right, see you later. All right, good morning. This was my little house last night. Very nice, good to chill, good not to have to set the tent up. So yeah, I'm at the old Red Lion in Shiverley. So, feeling recharged. Not too far again today, about another 50k. So that should be good. It's come up to 11 o'clock now. So should be no more than 4 or 5 hours. But it's straight through the Wessex Downs, so it should be nice and off-roady. But I know where I'm going tonight. I'm staying in Avebury, and it's actually the first place that I camped on a multi-day trip. Me and my bike friend, Dave Hellier. Yeah, it was our first little spot, so I know exactly where I'm going, which is a nice feeling. Oh no, I've just noticed I've got a flat tyre. Oh, you're joking. Oh. Oh no, alright. What the hell? Oh, I was just thinking what a nice morning it was to get out. Right, so I haven't got a spare tube because I used that yesterday at the front, and obviously the other one didn't fit, so I'm gonna have to patch it. I'm hoping there's only like a couple of holes in it. It's that damn track I went down yesterday. There's a big private property, no entrance sign on it as well, so it was my own fault. It's karma for you. Right, okay, let's get this wheel off and try and fix it. You can see that, there's a little bugger. Brilliant. Right, as you can see, the bike is still in bits. I can't patch the tyre. Every time, I think it's too hot. Every time I put a patch on, as soon as I pump it up, it just peels off. So I've put it in the shade. I'm going to leave it, and I'm having a pint of cider to pass the time and drown my sorrows. They're not even serving yet, but they poured me one anyway because they can see I'm distressed. So yeah, things could be better, but things could be worse. So let's hope I can fix this. Otherwise, I guess I'll just stay here for another night. I don't know. All right. I've used about 10 punch repair stickers now. I'm hoping these are going to work. I'm getting bored with this. There's another one. How many holes are in this? You see that? I think it's holding the air. I'm sweating. I've been doing this for about 2 hours now. Right. I think it might be alright. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, you're a joke. Look. Just heard that go. No. Oh, I just got me lunch, another pint. And the tyre's just popped. It's not my day today. There's a wedding here as well, so my room's gone. I don't know what I'm going to do. Eat and drink. Alright. Right, so there's no fixing this tyre. So, I've got my wheel. I've got a cab. There's a Halfords about 5 miles down the road. So I'm going to go and take the problem to them. Get a new tube, get a couple of spares. And yeah.
You have to learn some repairing as well, you know.
Sorry, what was that? Right, let the professionals do it. Right, here we are, all kitted up. Tyres back on. Check that out for a name. Rapid Rob. 2 spare tubes. New tyre levers, I broke 3 of them today. So all set. So I'm going to head back to the pub, fix it back on the bike. And then I'm going to have another drink. And I don't think I'm even going to set off today. I'm going to try and find somewhere else to stay. I've had enough. Alright. So finally back on the road. It's about 4 o'clock. New wheels all ready. I'm literally going to go about 10k back into Newbury and stay at the Travelodge. Bad day, but we'll fight again tomorrow. Alright. Yeah. Welcome to the Travelodge, London Road, Newbury. Not quite as fancy as where I was staying last night, but it's a room. It's roasting out as well. I was on the bike for about half an hour, that was it. I'm sweating. So, complete wipeout today. I've covered 10 kilometres. It's cost me loads of money. But, what can you do? Take the rough with the smooth. Sun's shining, so I'm going to get showered, get out, find some food. It's about 4:30 now, so I don't know where the day's gone. But yeah, shower, food, and then early night. And tomorrow, back to cycling. All right, see you later.